Hi, I'm Sheeny Atanis, founder of Kosas Cosmetics. Today I'm going to talk to you about each of our 8 colors. This is Rosewater. Rosewater is the lightest color in our collection. It works on a very wide range of skin tones. It's sort of like your favorite t-shirt. It becomes everyone's favorite color. The other sheer shade in the Kosas collection is Stardust. Stardust, much like Rosewater, is very lip balmy in feel. It's super sheer and hydrating. They're very wonderful everyday colors that can be used in place of lip balm. It's really a formula that you can just wear and forget about. This is Undone. Undone is the 3rd nude in our collection. It's a makeup artist's favorite. They love to use this color on the red carpet because it's a nude that stands up well at nighttime. It's a staple for anyone's makeup bag. This is Fringe. Fringe is one of the darker colors in our collection. It is very 90s, very throwback. If you have somebody who wants a red lip but they're shying away from that very bright red lip, it gives them that red shade without being over the top. This is Thrillist. Thrillist is one of the reds in our collection. It's a poppy colored red, so it's a red with some orange undertones to it. Thrillist is bright and fun and fashionable and really daring. This is Royal. Royal is very approachable. It's not over the top. It's a berry color. Berries can sometimes be made with a lot of blue, which can look really gray once you put it on, and Royal doesn't do that. It has a lot more red, which is more human and warm and natural looking. Royal is flattering on a super wide range of skin tones and can take you easily from day to night. Elektra is the other red in our collection. Elektra is a timeless color, it's a classic color, it's a Parisian red. This is what someone's looking for when they ask for a true red lipstick. Darkroom is the deepest shade in our collection. However, it's still very wearable, and the reason for that is that we don't use any black pigment in our formula. On lighter skin tones with lighter hair, Darkroom really pops and creates a lot of contrast and visual interest. On medium skin tones, Darkroom is moody and sexy, and on very dark skin tones, Darkroom harmoniously blends in and complements the skin.